you dropped the ball again. Like, girl, foul. You can buy it if you want to, but I wouldn't suggest it. And I'm trying to save you guys money because I done went there and blew out my own money on this. Like, girl, where are we finding this hair quality? Is it from the dumpster? Is it from the trash can around the way? Are we shaving off hair from old dolls? Like,
cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left. Plus you gon' get right, what the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo. Been taking that easy like poco a poco.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit from the Sensational Butta Lace collection. You thought I learned my lesson, but apparently I did not. So the name of this unit is the Curly Body 26 inch, and I'm wearing it in the color number 2, so just pop right into the specs of this one. So since this unit is from the Butta Lace collection, you do get that singular HD lace part that goes right down the middle. It does come pre-plucked. It does have baby hairs. It's 26 inches, like it says on the stock card, so it's a lot of hair. So let me just pop in real quick and show you guys what the hairline's looking like on this one. Nothing too crazy. Hairline's pretty good. The hair quality though, can I just pop right into that real quick, y'all? So the density itself, it's a pretty good amount of hair. This is all the hair to the front, and even though it is super long, like I said, 26 inches, it definitely has some weight to it. I combed it out a good amount and it does keep clumping back together, so definitely know this is that type of curl pattern where the curls kind of clump together. Honey, this bad boy got dry instantly. It looks like it'd be silky, but it's not. It's like a dried out yucky, if that makes sense. The hair quality itself, I'm sorry y'all, it is not good. It is trash. The frizziness is crazy, y'all. The tangling and the shedding. The cap size, honey. The cap size on this one just gotta go. It's another like baby head, small cap size, not much stretch. So this is small and possibly medium head friendly, but if you do have a larger size head, honey, it's gonna be an issue for you, period. I don't see you wearing this for an extended amount of time out and being comfortable. Like, I see maybe you going to a quick brunch for like 2-3 hours max, and then you're coming back home, popping this bad boy off, spraying it down with some silicone spray, sticking it back in a bag, and then wearing it here and there on occasion. If you try to wear this bad boy every day, even if you cut it down, because I know of course the length is going to be an issue, it's a synthetic unit, of course we're going to get tangling and shedding, but like it's a little bit excessive, honey, out the box. This unit should be like $10, because what are we doing? Like, even if you cut this bad boy down, there's no way you're getting away with wearing this every day and it holding up. Like, it's just not going to happen. Honestly, it's just not going to happen for you. So let me just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. As y'all heard me rambling on, it's going to be way more cons than pros. My number one con with this unit is going to be just the tangling and shedding. It's too much for me. It's too much for me. And just like I said, I know that length could be an issue with this unit, but I truly feel if I were to cut it down to a more reasonable length, just the texture itself, the clumping up, the shedding, the frizzing, the tangling, it's going to just be there, period. This is absolutely going to be a high maintenance special occasion unit. This is not going to be an everyday unit, honey. I promise you, if you try to use this and wear this unit every day, you will be highly disappointed. The hair quality, I'm really not here for. The cap size, I'm not here for. And I mean, those are probably going to be my only cons, but I feel like those are gigantic cons. Like, those are things that are going to push me away from picking up a unit again. Would I pick this unit up again? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. So let's just jump into the pros of this unit. The pros, I mean, like, look at me. Look at me. Yes, super pretty. If I could go do a photo shoot real quick or something right here in the house, like, or throw it on as my walk around the house here, yes, like, okay, like, yeah, it's very, very pretty. This curl pattern is very, very pretty. Hairline's pretty good. Definitely a throw on and go. Density is nice. Those are probably gonna be the only pros I can give you. Sensational, and like, yes, it does look very similar to the stock card. I would give you that, but other than that, it's a no. Like, it's a no for me. Like, I feel like I keep giving Sensational chance after chance after chance after chance, just because I'm hoping maybe they're gonna finally start listening to us, like Outre does, like Bobby Boss does. But they don't. They just keep like doing whatever it is they want to do. They think they just slap their name on anything and we'll pick them up, and clearly it's working. Because, like, look, I keep holding out hope that they're gonna get it together, because they've come out with beautiful units from the Sensational Wale's collection. So, like, I just keep having hope, but like, you dropped the ball. You dropped the ball again. Like, girl, foul, technical foul. Like, what? Like, and I'm trying to save you guys money, because I done went there and blew out my own money on this. Like, girl, like, I'm just here to warn you, this is gonna be what it's looking like. And I put silicone spray in it, and I've only worn it right now for this review. You can buy it if you want to, but I wouldn't suggest it. But that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.